and this is Magazine Fjord, and today I'm showing you a video of Binance.com and about the Binance Earn. So this is a good platform to earn money by putting the your money, your crypto money into savings with a flexible earnings or into locked staking, which has higher percentage, but you have higher risk and the problem is that you will not be able to unstake and you will lose your or interest that you earned. So let's take a look about lock staking because of the flexible savings I've talked about in previous video. So in this video you can see that the percentage is quite high. So and this is APY, it's per year, not month, not week. So around 58% is like the amount, like if you put 10 euro buying LPT, 10 euro value of LPT, and you keep that in 1 year, so this will be around one, okay, 15 euro 80 cents. So this will be the amount about the next year. And so these are the percentages. And but guys, this is quite risky because some of the money they will never get up. For example, I invested in some of these stocks and they are going down and nothing you can do. It just goes down and down. But there are some I'm not a financial advisor and it's quite risky. Everything is risky here, but the thing is that some of the coins are getting good. For example, the cake, it's basically like it's some general cryptocurrency, so it doesn't have any problems. It just goes up, and I can show you on the market share. Okay, let's see what's going on here. And if we go into market and we go into cake, so it goes just like the other cryptocurrency money, so no risk here, it's quite okay. But still that can happen, everything can happen, so be careful guys, be careful, really. That's okay. So this is the lock staking, and let's get into other uh, ways of earning. And there is one very interesting thing like okay, launch pool. I'm not investing. ATH 2.0 staking. I'm not getting into this. This is like, even though it's low risk, okay, hassle free, it's okay, but you have not a big money. You will not get huge money, and you are staking for very long time. So, like for 2 years. So, you your stake cannot be redeemed during the first phase. It may take more than 2 years. This is crazy. So I'm not getting into this. I don't know, guys, if you have different opinion or you have used that before, please let me know. You can watch the video here. So BNB Vault, it's quite okay. It has a lot of advantages, but the problem here is that the current APY is not huge. So, but the quite interesting thing that you get reward BNB out of, so, but the problem is 0.67%. So that's very extremely low. But the launch pool rewards, that's very interesting. AT and TLM. TLM goes down. So I don't know what's by ATA just appeared and it also goes down. But you never know what can happen. So let's get to and see. Okay, TLM. Okay, so that's quite a lot of time. Okay, now today is 10% increase. That's fine, but let's take a look into general view, and here we go. So it went so much down, so that 10%, it's like nothing. If you bought, okay, there was a crypto crash, that's fine, but after crypto crash, which finished like here, okay, there was some dumps, that's okay, but there is still a downtrend. So that's not a good point. And okay, it can skyrocket. anytime, but be cautious, you never know. So yeah, you can invest like 10 euro up to 100 euro, and even though I would invest only 10 euro, I usually, if I don't know this coin, so I buy every coin I can for a very small amount. So okay, let's take a look about ATA, and this just appeared. It had even zero value. Like in few days, it had zero value, and then they gave value. I was even getting this reward, and I wouldn't get any money. It wasn't worth anything, but I was still holding. So as you can see, from June 12th, it started to grow. That could be a good sign. I have some of them, but not much. And if the line keeps going, especially this one, so I might, you know, trade and stake more. So let's see, guys. I don't know what to see. I don't know what to think, but it could be a good investment. So what I like really, okay, this launch pool. Um, so this is really nice. This what I was talking. This ATA, and you get the maximum out of okay dot and BNB. Okay, you also get uh, airdrops. This very nice thing, and I will talk into we'll talk into further videos. But now let's get into high yield. Okay, so this high yield and this liquidity swap, and this is quite risky. You buy, yeah, you pay. Actually, when you buy something, you pay some little fees. It's very little, but still you pay everything. On Binance, it's quite low, but the problem is that the percentage, if you compare with other websites, here the percentage it's not very high. So coin market cap. Okay, let's compare some of them. If I find in this video, if I be able. So as you can see, drops, 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 and here is the highest. So 80% of liquidity is a really small amount. If I'll show you on Pancake, you will see over 3,000. So that's huge. Okay, so on CoinMarket.cap, you can see the Bitcoin is the largest coins and market cap, volume, and circulating supply. So by this, you can see, okay, ship. Anyway, let's rate by this. And so this is the increase. You can also add 30 days increase here as well. You can customize everything, and you will see everything here. So that's very interesting thing. Okay, so 30 days. There are some very coins that basically I didn't see before, so it's quite risky. Okay, the stable coin. Binance. So the most valuable coin. This is the coin of Binance and the Binance platform, and this is very interesting. But what I guys really like is about the Twitter, how PancakeSwap and Binance, they're really active. They're extremely active, and the users are active. I can see the amount of people talking. It's really huge. And it's very interesting. It's very interesting, and you can see the airdrops programs. So just take a look. PancakeSwap 3,000% APR. So this is huge. I will show you just for okay. So this is PancakeSwap. This is my account. This is small money, but anyway, okay. So I'm not connecting. I'm not showing you, but just for your information. So I have this Binance chain where I also hold money. Okay, so just take a look. This is AutoCake. Okay, I'm not opening, and APY is 111%. So you can imagine cake per $1,000. So this is the time frame by days, and this is the amount you will get per $1,000 invested in only in cakes. But just take into consideration that it will it will auto cake, automatic restaking. So it will take the money you earned and it will add up, so you will get even more than this one, even more than this, or maybe 64. Okay, because look, here's APR 76, but somehow you earn this the same almost amount. Okay. Anyway, not okay. So 2%. Okay, so they're taking 2%, compounding 1x daily. But what's interesting is about the farm. That's crazy percentages you will see. That's very interesting. So okay. So guys, now I'm also invested Cake BNB. So this is the main. So also it multiplies by 40x. So you can see here it's so for example 1x farm was getting 1 cake per block. A 40x farm would be getting 40 cake per block. So that's interesting. So you buy cake, you buy the same amount of BNB, you liquid them, and then you stake, and then you're getting, but also you will have to harvest, and for each harvest you will have to pay additional BNB coin, and it's quite, if you have small amounts, don't invest, because every harvest, every connection, every putting, it costs. Like for example, the minimum I saw was 15 cents, and then a harvest here is also, I think 30 cents, a dollar. So that everything costs. So if you buy something and you invest here in the farms, or mainly in cryptocurrency, you have to invest a lot of money, like start from 100 euro minimum. I suggest staking here like 100, and then there 100. It's minimum. It's minimum, and still you will have to wait for your money to get back. So better if you invest like around 200, 300 euro minimum for each. But mind, this is risky, so you can lose money. But take a look at this 1000 APL BSC MP. Wow, but you're staking 4 coins, so that's crazy. But this multiplier 8x. Okay, guys, so that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and so stay tuned for more, and I will show you this, the last thing. So yeah, you're buying this and you are liquidating everything here, but that's, I would not buy that for sure. It's just adding liquidity like 4 coins. That's crazy. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more. I hope you enjoyed, and okay, let me show you the main. So peace out, and as you can see, there are many interesting things, and I will show you in the next video. So see you next time.